So good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So happy Saturday. Yes. Good morning, everybody. How you all doing? While we wait for others to join, let's quickly share the live to our friends, our family who we think would love to be here with us. Let's share quickly. Happy Salah to everybody in areas like Jehovah said. Good morning, everybody. It's another wonderful, great, and beautiful week to make some dories. It's another wonderful, great, and beautiful week to make some dories. Don't forget how important it is to make money in dollars. Don't forget how important it is to make money in dollars. It's very, very, very important. So this week we are going to print. We must print money. See, but this week I'm going all in. This week we're entering like this. I'm going all in. It's 10K dollars or nothing. 10K dollars or nothing. I'm going all in. I'm taking full execution this week. Full time execution this week. Full time execution this week. Obi na say if you reach your turn, go find babe. Obi na who is this girl that offended you? Eh? Obi na who is this girl that offended you? That you not allow our young ladies to rest. That girl must be very, very wicked. Oh. You all are welcome. Let's share this. So, yeah, someone said, can you use this indicator on a prop firm? Yes, trading is trading. Prop firm or anything, trading is trading. You can use it anywhere. Let's quickly share the YouTube link on our status, on WhatsApp status, Facebook page, Instagram page. For those, you might not tell which of your friends you are helping that's going through one or two issues. You understand? Let's share, let's share, let's share. This week, I'm going into full time execution this week. Full time execution. Okay. I said I'm going. If I tell you that I'm going to full time execution, so what am I full time execution? I may likely take more trades, but what I will now put first. If I say this week I'm going to full time execution on this my trade week, I mean I may likely take more trades this week. Yeah. Uh but at the end, what I'll put first is my risk management. What I'll put first is my risk management. I repeat, I am taking full time execution this week, but my risk management is what will be top notch. So I might not really be looking at my full time A setups, more risks, but more of risk management will take control. Do you understand now? We are good to go. So if you are just joining me for the first time, if you're just joining me for the first time, if you are just joining me for the first time, if you are just joining me for the first time, I want you to write good morning in the comment section. If you're just joining me for the first time, I want you to write good morning in the comment section. If you're just joining for the first time, I want you to write good morning in the comment section while we wait for one or two persons to join us. Yes, the house is full today. Yes, this is what I want to see. Pressure, pressure. The house is full today. Active, active, full house. The house is full today. You guys have been following me steadily. This is what we want to see. Full house, full house. So anytime I go into a new week, what I do first is that I review one or two trades I took the previous week, check how they played out, check their results, check what I did positively that made me a lot of profit. So I want to review, for instance, gold and BTC were one of the major trades I took last week. So I will start with gold, looking at how we analyze gold. I will check where gold is heading to, and I will show you exactly how I was able to use my Zoma style AI trade indicator and my little bit of basic knowledge to, you know, make a whole lot of profit and how structure looks like. So once again, good morning everybody. So if you are with me this morning, if you are active, type active in the comment section. Type active, active. I want the house to be active while we're already having a full house. Type active in the comment section. Type active in the comment section. So type active in the comment section. You will tag active, share it on your status as we proceed immediately. Immediately. So good morning once again, everyone. So in one sentence, tell me, let me start with you guys. In one sentence, tell me how your trading has been so far. Have you been profitable? Did you make profit last week? Did you make losses? And what did you think you did wrong that made you lose money? So we can correct them before we proceed quickly. Or what do you think you did right that made you profitable the last week? Tell me your own side of the story first. Tell me your own side of the story. Let's print Doris. Tell me your own side of the story because I need to understand. I need to know that you guys are in progress with me. So if you are profitable, tell me why you are profitable and what you did differently and how you made money last week. You understand? Then if you have had losses, tell me what you did. And if you have discovered the reason for your loss, tell me, okay, this might be the reason for your loss. Tell me in the comment section. Okay, I can see some people already commenting. Okay, I'll read this one by one. Okay, somebody said, okay, I have not traded a while. I don't relax due to loan account. I'm still learning. Okay, it's good to always reflect on your losses and check the places you made mistake. It's not about you rushing into the market and still going back to make the same mistakes again. Sometimes you just have to sit back and check what you have done wrong and what you can do differently to be a profitable trader. Let's go to the next person. Say my boss, my trading has been poor. I've been in forex for over 3 years, but to make money in forex is what I don't. I notice I do trade with emotions. You can see this person already said that. He said he has been trading for so many years, for like 3 years, but to make money in forex is what he did not understand because he noticed that he do trade with emotions. You see, sometimes we are actually our own problems. Sometimes we are actually our own problems. Sometimes we are actually our own problems. So if we can, the fact that he already understand that this is his problem and he understand that he needs to act on it is what will really help him his trading story so far. Somebody said he also said that I've blown my account both both prop firm and funded. Now I'm going to fund the program. I also noticed that I still need to build a structure for myself. So you see why I'm happy for this person right now is that he actually understands what is going on currently. He actually understands what his issue is currently. So the fact that he's already getting to understand this is a plus. And trust me, once he can act on this, he's going to be a better trader. Once he can act on this, he's definitely going to be a better trader. So somebody else said, okay, so that is for Elochukwu. And that person said, um, I joined on Saturday and I'm still confused and I need to understand how the software works. Okay, thank God you're here today. And since you're here today, I'm going to actually, you will actually see me live, use the software, showing you exactly how it works live as long as you stay to the end of this section. Do you understand? Then somebody, Obi said, I really don't understand what happened. But as Bitcoin dipped massively, all my trade reversed and it stop loss. Obi, see, let me explain something to you, Obi. He said he really does not understand what happened. So what for you to even say this, Obi, Felix, you're actually a beginner in trading. And you see, sometimes, you might, like I said, I always shout that you might have the best strategy, but if you don't, you know, if you don't if you don't understand the basics of trading, you will never make money in trading. Are we good to go? So the thing here is that you said Bitcoin dumped massively and all your trade reversed and it stopped loss. Number one, the first mistake is that I don't need to ask you this question, but I know for a fact that Felix, you were having to trade, you were trading over more than one coins at a go, more than one coin at once. You are maybe probably you're in 5 to 6 long trades because if Bitcoin dumped massively and you said all your trades reverse and it stop losses, that means you are in longs. You are in so many longs. Now, Bitcoin is the baba and chief general of the market. Bitcoin controls the crypto market. Whatever happens to Bitcoin happens to all other peers. I repeat, whatever happens to Bitcoin happens to all other peers. Whatever happens to Bitcoin happens to all other peers. So when Bitcoin dumps, they follow. Just like NMPC now. If NMPC reduces their fuel price to 800, all other smaller firms reduce their fuel prices. If NMPC increases their fuel price, all other prime firms, firms increases their fuel price. So Bitcoin is the general market. It controls general market control. That's why I said before I go into any trade on crypto market, in the crypto market, I like checking the condition of Bitcoin. Are we positive? Is there possibility of a dump or possibility of a pump before I know what and what to go buy? So next time, check the market condition on Bitcoin. Do not trade, don't let all your trade bias be all on longs. And best for you now currently with your current condition is to take one trade at a time. Me, I take one. Everybody know me for a fact here that I take one trade at a time. I'm not a fan of so many trades. Do you understand? I'm not a fan of taking more than one trade at a time. If you see me take two trades, is that maybe they clashed in a way. Maybe they both went to hit my limit order at a certain point in time. You get? Maybe they both went to meet my limit order at a certain point in time. So calm down. It's not a sprint. Training is a marathon. It's step by step. The advisor said I got Zuma. Advisor said awesome. He said he got Zoom Master 3 days back. That is his Zoom Master AI indicator. And he has been using demo so far to see how the indicator works. And he said he have had 6 trades using Zoom Master AI indicator. Now in that 6 trades, he had 4 successful wins and 2 went against him. Good wins. He made that means he has gotten like 2 to 3x of you see that efficient the trading indicator is in 6 trades, 4 wins, 2 went against him. That is fair. David said, I did not analyze any I did not do my analysis. I went to check Forest Factory and I got some losses. So Forest Factory is a place that shows traders where where they can check what's going on in the forex market, be it on gold or any pair. If there's any news, is the if there's any like very high impact news going on. Forex factory is where you check the news in the forex market so you can know what to expect in the market. So he said that I think he was just trading news. He went to the news, maybe the news looked like oh the market was going to dump or pump and he went to go and trade without analyzing the coin and he had some losses. That's bad. Don't trade the news. Don't trade news. Instead, let the news play out before you trade. So the Empire videos said, I'm just like this guy that trade with emotions. I know fit allow $50 profit pass me. So he said he's still finding it difficult to get his own master. So don't worry, step by step we're here to show you. So you see, we need this emotions thing is what I always talk about almost every day. Almost every day. Almost every day. This is something I always talk about. We need to work on our emotions. If not, you keep on getting burnt. Obina said they said river. River. So Obina, I told you something the other day that watch whenever Bitcoin is dumping, river is pumping. Just check it. I told you the other day that anytime river is anytime the Bitcoin is dumping, river is pumping. A whole lot of beautiful questions today. I love the questions. I love the reviews and everything. Maximum. This is why you have to be here every morning to lift your spirit. To lift your spirit. This is why you have to be here every morning to lift your spirit. To lift your spirit. So let's quickly proceed. Let's quickly. So I want to show you all I analyzed on gold last week and how gold has been going so far and how we have been so on point and perfect on it. Okay, so on point and perfect on it. Now, Kazim, I used to sleep in the weekend. Now, calm down. You need to rest. Yeah. So Mondays to Friday, I'm always very active. Let me rest. Yeah. So let me quickly go and share my screen, and let me show you exactly how gold almost see gold. I told you all that gold will dump. You people are doubting me. You can see what is going on in gold. So let me quickly share my screen and show you exactly how Zoom Master has been able to guide me and us here on how I've been able to make a whole lot of money on gold, knowing that gold was going to have a dump. Everybody breathe in and breathe out. It's another good and wonderful day. It's another good and wonderful day. So I want to quickly show you how I use this Zoom Master AI trading indicator and how we, yeah, if you know your if say hi Say hi if you have been here so far from last week when we all said that gold was going to dump. If you're here, say hi in the comment section, or just type gold dump in the comment section. If you're here last week where we analyzed gold, even before last week, say when we say gold will sell, just write gold dump in the comment section. We're here and everything is happening right in front of us. Everything has been happening right in front of us. It's not even something to, you know. So let me go to my trading view. Oh no, if I'm sharing my screen properly. It is Momo. Why is Momo? Say I should analyze. I'm not going to analyze anything. Come and force me. You don't have about data for me. Eh? 70 years old man. To be honest, if people ask me, well, let me just tell you something. So this is gold. Gold has dumped and even tiered, even tiered take profit three. So initially, this is Zomaster AI Educator is currently activated like this, and this is where I started shorting gold from. Gold dumped from here. You can see Zomaster already activated. Gold dumped from here around 5,200 to this position here. This was the first entry we got on gold around here. You know, Zomaster works with structures. As the market restructures, it gives you a new entry, stop loss, and take profit as long as it has been verified. So when gold was here and dumped here, because we checked the daily time frame the other day, even it has even here take profit on the daily time frame. We check the daily time frame and you know this is it. It was so bearish that I had to conclude that the only thing that could happen for seeing this kind of bearish candle, I had to conclude that the only thing that could happen on gold was a dump. I went to the 4 hour time frame and I did the same thing. Coming. So on the 4 hour time frame, this was where we started shorting gold from. When gold got here, I took my profit initially the first time. Then gold continued dumping gradually and got to somewhere here, which you can see around here. That's where gold got to. Then when gold got there, it had a pullback. I said, okay. After this pullback, I said, what I'm seeing according to daily, there's nothing that will happen to gold, that gold must dump. Then Zomaster gave us another entry at 5044. As you can see clearly, from 5044, gold did the pullback and continued dumping. Got to take profit one on Zomaster Yash indicator, got to take profit two, pull back again, got to take profit three. Family, I am proud to tell you for now that I have no current structure on gold. I have no current analysis on gold. There's nothing I can do on gold. Nothing is available on gold. In fact, I am still standing for another sell on gold. But the only thing I want to see currently back on gold is that I want to see a pullback. With this kind of dump that have happened, all structures has been broken. Fair enough, let me be honest with you. At this take profit three, I was expecting that okay, if gold get to take profit trade that Master gave to us, which around there, based on structure, based on what structure, you see that this zone has been is likely supposed to be a good support zone for zone to relax, for gold to relax. But at this point, it got here. See, this was the last reaction, and when it got here, it pumped back up. But you can see gold has clearly, even on the higher time frame, broken the structure on from take positive. So for now, I will advise you, if you want to take a long, the market is not, gold market does not have a current structure that I can say, because me, I don't have to I like seeing a story before I take any trade. If it was that gold got here and started going back up, I'll say okay, there's a structure, a story here, there's a story here, and that's why there's a reaction. But it broke below and continued going. So for this reason, the gold is still bearish. I'm expecting a pullback for a continuous dump in gold. So if I see a green candle pullback, I'll wait for Zuma start to give me an entry on that pullback, then I'll go for a short again till the daily shows me a sign of relief. Gold is still very, very bearish. So for now, I will just stick to what Zuma Star is showing. We are still bearish, all structure broken, sweet sell from year to year to year to year, very sweet sell, very sweet sell on gold. And thanks to Zone Master for giving me the clarity of what I want to see in the market. Now there's no structure, it's clear. What do you want to trade here? Yeah, what do you want to trade here? What family? What, look at it. If you are the one who look at what do you want to trade here? What do you want to trade? Even on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Let me go remove this. Let me delete this. You can even see, let me delete all the lines that have been drawn here. You can even see even the 15 minutes time frame is struggling to, this is a, because one free fall. Even the 15 minutes time frame is struggling to get, okay, now you can see that even that place I told you about that I was expecting gold to like get to, this little place that even the 15 minutes time frame is even giving us another shot. That's even any pullback I see. You can see the master is yet to even really form a structure, but even the 15 time frame is still giving us another shot. So for now, I am going to wait for gold to restructure. You can see the free fall. This one is four like a mango tree being that gold did. I wish I held my, I already took gold from year to year. I made some profit from year to year. Because me, I like taking profit. I take profit too most times. I wish I held this of being crazy, like maybe 20K dollars on gold. So that's why Zone Master is here to give you that structure and clarity you're looking for. It shows you all those unnecessary entering, trade blindly at the middle, at the end. It is no longer your portion. All those trading with emotions has been, you know, has been defeated. All those trading, if you ever attempt to check 5 minutes time frame, I will knock your head. Nobody should ever in my life section tell me that I should check 5 minutes time frame again, or 10 minutes or 2 minutes. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. We have a lot of beginners here. I'm not here to scalp or do all those things you guys are doing, all those gamble pattern you are doing. No, I will not do that. Don't tell me why we at our in fact, I think I just joined for don't ever tell us to check 10 minutes or 5 minutes. No, I'm trying to remove you all from that gambling. See, I'm not saying that people don't, that I can check 5 minutes if I want to. You get, I can check, but it's not safe. You need to understand that as a trader, it's not safe for you to do that. It will blow your money. Too much noise between the buyers and sellers in the 5 minutes time frame. Don't you want to sleep and wake up peacefully? Can't you see? Can't you see? This is example of sleeping. If you take only this gold in just 1 week alone, you know how much you have made than trading. Let me go. You can't even 5 minutes never here. Let me go and show what you want us to trade here. Could we go as low as trading 5? Just look at what you want us to be doing. Some people go as low as 3 1 minute. So you're looking for the next person that will buy and this person that will say, no, 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 no. Don't do that. Superstar will show you all those things if you want to see it in the 1 minute, the 5 minutes. It works on all time frame, but it's not advisable for you as a beginner. You are not complaining that your emotions is what I to eat your money. But the same you are saying that we should go and check the 5 minutes time frame to blow our account. Up, down, up, down. Your BP just going BP, BP, IPIM, IPIM, IPIM. Till you get hypertension, you will rest. Fine. Up, down. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, see sweet free for peace of mind. You don't want it. You say you gonna check 1 minute time frame. Azal now. Type Azal in the comment section. Don't do that. I've been here for over 2 months trying to stick into your brain how to analyze from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. The only thing you want me to do now, waking up in the morning, is to go and check 1 minute time frame. Tunde buy 1, Tunde sell 2, Malaka buy 1, Naomi sell 3, Tunde 4 buy. So I should buy what Tunde sell, what Naomi buy. Tunde Obina sell, what can Jehovah boy sell, buy, sell. My money will not finish, my eye will not clear. Do you think this one is sporty virtual? Don't do that. If at all you want to scalp at all, stick to the 15 minutes time from scalp. If at all you want to scalp, stick to the 15 minutes time frame. Scalp and those. But me, you know me, you have been following me. You know that me, I stick to the 4 hour, 1 hour time frame for my peace of mind. If I take 2 to 3 days a week, I am good to go. Bah. I'm not trying to make you feel bad. I'm not trying to scold you. I'm trying to tell you that there are levels to this game. Treat it that it's time for you to start treating your trade like a business. Biko, Abiola buy, Obina sell 1 minute. Abiola buy, Obina sell 2 minutes. Abiola buy, Obina sell. Doctor buy, this one sell. Prime videos buy, that one sell. 1 minute movement. You want to kill somebody? Okay, it's because you don't have big money. Let's assume someone like me that's like, okay, $5K above to trade. $5K above to trade. You allow put my 5K on 1 minute. 5K up, 5K down. Then 5K, I will see my 5K. 5K does profit minus 2K, minus 3K, less than 1 minute. Then up again, plus 6K, minus. You know, hey, you just say crypto pastor is no longer here again. No. Please. I can't be here for over 2 months. Explain how to trade with the higher time frame down to lower time frame, and you still be doing the same mistake with emotions. I'm not trying to make you feel bad. I'm just trying to also take that some people here. It's because you have spoken. You understand? You have spoken on behalf of some people here. I cannot. Do you know how volatile gold is? Guys, you guys don't know how volatile gold is. Look at C4. Imagine say you go trade 1 minute time frame from here. Hey, pardon. Easy, straight down. We can see how look at this is what Zomaster does. The clarity. Just get Zomaster on your phone. Even if you're a 95 worker, you don't have to do much. Just be following what he's saying. I don't even start to this class self. I was just trying to explain what I saw on gold. Even BTC, the same thing. You at BTC, go, everything has changed. BTC, I don't know. Currently, self on Bitcoin. This was where the that Bitcoin never could break support. I think we started shorting Bitcoin around there now. No, yeah. I think we made profit from we short Bitcoin from 74 down. Okay, so no. Last week I told you all that Bitcoin was at 71 something. I don't know if you guys can remember. I said stop loss self, yes, too tight. I'm not going to use this stop loss normally. So this Bitcoin. This was where Zoom Master gave us an entry on Bitcoin at 71. I said, okay, me, I'm expecting a dump on Bitcoin. It was here from here. At 71 something. Can see. You guys were here now. Well, it was on Friday. I said Bitcoin was at 71 something. I'm expecting a dump on Bitcoin. I won't post it before and after. Like I was writing before and after because people be like, come on, what is it before? Like I'll writing before and after. So you can know that this is not luck. This is precision. And this was actually a support that Bitcoin has been holding around here. I was even saying at 68K, I want to see Bitcoin at 68K. Family, did Bitcoin not get to 68K or not? And currently, this support has been broken, sef. You have seen it. That's why Master gave us an entry around there. So Bitcoin have been dancing around 60. I was thinking 68K is going to be a support, but Bitcoin is still very indecisive. That's why I say 60, it's getting 67. It gets to 67. I think 67 is currently, let me see 15 minutes time frame. Or 45 minutes. I think 1 hour is still showing what I want to see. So I think 68, 67K is like a support right now. But Zone Master is saying 69 is actually 69, 70K should be a clear resistance zone for Bitcoin for now because 70K zone held, 69K zone held for a while, then broke below. Honestly, we are currently in a downtrend, Jerry, on Bitcoin. Coin is bearish. There's nothing open. This is just a pullback. The Bitcoin is bearish. I'm expecting more dump on Bitcoin. A little bit of a pullback above, and the dump continues on Bitcoin. Yes, we dumped. We took a dump. We still on Bitcoin from 71,500, and it played out. So let's quickly go to what I have to share for you for today. Let's quickly go to what I have to share for you for today. Because every day I come here, I like giving out value. I like giving out value. It's not about talking about, oh, this indicator is here to help you, that indicator is here to help you. But common basics like this, knowing how to work on your emotions and stuff like that, knowing when to trade and when not to trade are very important. Because, like I always say, when you may have the best strategy, but if you don't do things right, you will not be a profitable trader. So today, I'm going to be looking at building a routine, building a trading routine around the higher time frame. Building a trading routine around the higher time frame. Building a trading routine around the higher time frame. So that guy I was saying that you know he always use 1 minute time frame to trade. If you follow me now on today's class, you'll be able to work on yourself and try to use um, the higher time frame to see how it might be of what you just that the higher time frame trading pattern can make your trading boring, but at the end of the day, you know, you would be more profitable. Trust me, I can bet anything on that you're going to be more profitable. But this new week bring us more tourists. But this new week bring us more glories. Amen. So let's proceed to what we have for today. Me, I'm ready to body that the market is not looking very nice this morning, both on the crypto market and in the forex market. Right? Bitcoin is just dumping, doesn't know where it's going to for now, no structure around it like that. No really confirmed structure around it. What's this guy's name? Gold too. Gold is just dumping and doesn't really like giving us a clear signal. Though the clear signal in gold is a sell. But I want to see a pullback. I want to see consolidation. I want to see structure so I can eat from there. I only eat from repetitions most times. I need to see a repetitive pattern so I can eat. You understand? So today's class, we're going to quickly look. I won't waste much of just give me 10, 15 minutes. Just 10 minutes, I'll quickly explain to you today's class. Building a trading routine around the higher time frame. So far, we have spoken about I've spoken about um, getting the direction of the market, looking at structure in the market, looking at zones, looking at alignments, discipline and mistakes. You understand? So I want to transform you guys from understanding trading to people who really operate like traders. And this week is about routine, consistency, and identity. That what we're talking about this week so far. This week class, we're talking about routine, consistency, and identity. Just give me 5 minutes and I'm done with this value I want to give out. So because our classes in the morning is not centered about the indicator and all that. It's centered about you being a better trader and profitable. Because I realize that many people here have the tendency of being a good trader. They have good strategies. You understand? But the problem is that eh, they don't know that if you don't know how to manage your risks, discipline, even a good strategy will look like a bad strategy. So that's why I am here to build you to become a profitable trader. Do you understand? So the difference between a struggling trader and a profitable trader is not strategy, it's routine. So you might be sometimes I was in my community, my VIP community. There was this trader. This guy is a crypto trader actually. In fact, this guy uses 500x leverage on every trade he takes. So me, okay, for the forex traders here also, 500x leverage in crypto means that you are using a crazy ass, you know, how do I put it now? The leverage of that trade is very, very high. Let me put it that way. That at every move the market goes, yeah, at every move the market goes, it multiplies times 10, times 50, times 1,000. So I'm always against 500, people using 500x to trade on 1,000x. But the truth here is that if you have a strategy that is backing up whatever you are doing, you'll be profitable. Or more of like if you have a routine that backs up what you are doing, you'll be profitable. Let me not complicate it for you guys. So today, I will show you how higher time frame traders structure their day. Because as a trader, Your day need to have a structure. You don't need to just wake up in the morning and jump into any trade you see because 5 minutes time frame has said this one to you, 1 minute time frame has said to enter here. You don't need to do that. You need to structure your day. There need to be a routine around your trade. To be honest with you, last week I had only one trade to take. Not because of I wish to take one trade, but my structure put in place, my routine put in place as a trader did not permit me to use only one trade, did not permit me to use to take more than that one trade. I will explain to you why routine matters. Without no, in the group, I used to send a voice note every Saturday and Sunday that everyone should plan their trade, arrange their setup against Monday, so that the market will not, you will not enter the market unaware or randomly. I don't see when on Sunday, Mondays, I already know the pairs and the coins I want to go and check because I've done my own plan and routine. I check if they've gotten to my positions. I don't do emotional decisions. I'm patient enough to wait for them to come to my positions, and I avoid over trading. If it's only 3 to 4 pairs I'm able to analyze over the weekend against Monday, that's fine by me. Then I check them. It's okay if I see other opportunities to take, but these are the ones I plan. So what this helps me to do is that it helps me to avoid over trading and see the market from a better point of view. You will never see me waking up in the morning and start saying, hey, Monday, gold, 1 minute time frame, this one, 5 minutes time frame, and start buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling till I lose all my phone. No, I'm calm. I've checked the higher time frame, I've checked for structures. I don't just check chart randomly and I'm good to go. If there's nothing, there's nothing. We move. So this gives you clear plan, reduces your stress level, and better execution. And if you are a 9 to 5 worker, if you can be doing this over the weekend, plan your trades, set your limit orders to the trades you plan, so that even when you're not with your phone, they can execute. Then you are good to go as a 9 to 5. Drop your phone, put your stop loss, buy limit order, go to your work. When you have time at your workplace, check, oh, have my trade peaked, has it been executed? If it has not, drop your phone, continue your work. So when I say I'm a 9 to 5 worker, will I have time? You don't need trading is not something that needs to take your time. Coupled with the fact that you have a zone master AI girl to help you to do the analysis, just check, oh, on the 4 hour time frame, what zone master showing me? Is that an entry? Okay, yeah, is that giving me an entry? I'll set my buy limit order, give me stop loss and take profit, and you just go to your work. So the key about this is that consistency in routine create consistency in result. Just like I said when I checked gold now, just like I checked gold, let me give you a real life example. Now I went to gold, hmm, just like I went to gold. Okay, I went to my daily time frame on gold. Oh, I saw on daily time frame gold is bearish. Then I went for forward. You understand? This I want this analysis I've done this since yesterday. Self. I went to forward time frame. Oh, is there anything on gold on the forward time frame? Oh, okay, I like trading gold. Okay, nothing. Still bearish. No structure on the forward time frame. Still showing sign of bearish. Okay, let's see what's happening in the bearish momentum. Oh, this is gold. Is there anything on gold yet? Nothing. There's buyers and sellers are still very indecisive in 15 minutes time frame. But being a trader sticks to the I check the 1 hour too. Nothing on the 1 hour time frame. Check the 4 hour too. Nothing. So you see that I'm able to check my bias. I check key zones, no key zone. Then I'm like, okay, my expectations now on gold is that okay, I want a pullback on gold. Then from there, I want to see if I'm going to consolidate, if I'm going to range, what does gold have for us? So on gold I have nothing. Last week I was able to eat well on gold. This week I have nothing for now on gold till structures changes. And during the day I can still come back and check what's going on gold. So this is exactly how to plan your day as a trader. You understand? Same as on Bitcoin, you know, I check the daily time frame. I can see that Bitcoin is bearish, indecisive movements between buyers and sellers, you know. Check the 4 hour time frame, nothing much, you know. I relax. I relax peacefully. It's not a do or die, it's not a do or die affairs. So you don't at the end of the day, I can now go and check my trade. Okay, which of my trades peaked? Are they in profit? What happened? What happened? So higher time frame trading gives you time. So you have to use it wisely. Like I said, weekends or weekly preparation is what you're supposed to use to identify major zones, define directional bias, and prepare for any scenario that's going to happen. Professional traders prepare before the market moves because many people just came to okay, I saw people just chatting me up now on my in the comment section here. Check this coin, check that coin. You're having me in your DM, you didn't send me message. Eh? You had me in my DM, you didn't send message I should check. It's when I'm in the live class. They tell me to check this coin. Live class I was supposed to use to see how we can, make better analysis for ourselves. Live class we supposed to use and make better analysis for ourselves. Man, the crazy market today on both the crypto and the forex market. So if you don't have a routine, you don't have control. If you don't have a routine, you don't have a routine, you don't have a control. I repeat, if you don't have a routine, you don't have a control. You need to have a routine. Very, very important to have a routine. You need to have a routine. Very, very important to have a routine. Hmm. Very important for you to have a routine. So let me look at one pair I've been observing. Yeah, so on Monday sometimes, even when do my set, most times, most my trade don't even usually pick on Mondays because most Mondays are the days that the market is trying to really balance. So, like sometimes it's not really okay to trade on Mondays. I prefer Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays because on Mondays is more of like error. The market is trying to settle to get back to where it wants to be. But this is my analysis on it. I have a pair I want to analyze. This is Zoma Star here, indicator. That will be USD. I want to analyze this pair. So checking on the daily time frame on this pair, this USD card, this daily time frame, you can see that there has been a bullish movement on the daily time frame actively. It's creating higher highs and higher lows on the daily time frame. You understand? So this is kind of like this kind of bullish move I like. You can see a bullish close, a bullish close, a bullish close, a retracement. You understand? Then a bullish close, retracement, and I'm expecting a move, continuous move back up. So I go to my 1 hour time frame to see if I can get an entry. So according to the daily time frame, in the 1 hour time frame where I want, because I've chosen to go, because like I've analyzed it from here already. This was the pump on daily time frame showing us that this pair is bullish. You can see a retracement, then a continuous bullish, another bullish candle form to the upside, then a retracement, another bullish candle forming. So it's forming higher highs and higher highs and higher lows. So this pair is bullish. So I'm going for a long. I can see clearly that Zoom Master on the 1 hour time frame has given me an entry around this place. So I'm expecting this pair, you know, USD card to come, probably first of all get here and come here. Then because it's still trying to make a bullish move, go back up. You can see that each time it got here, it's kind of like in a rangy market currently. Each time it gets here, it dumps, gets here, it dumps, pumps, dumps, pumps. So I'm expecting something around here, to get this position for us to go up. So you can see how Zomaster has given, if you haven't taken this from here, you can from here see take profit one has gotten here already. So you can see this how Zomaster shows the structures going on. Even last week I made a lot of profit from this pair last week. You guys were here. So this is a continuation. You can see how Zomaster is able to give us the structure we're looking for on this pair. You understand? So this is what we're looking for. We go again. We go again. You what I'm expecting on this pair. We go again. We go again. So if you have any questions, because I know here a lot of you have other things to do. If you have any questions, you need to master. I'm here to guide you as usual. You can quickly ask me your questions. If you have any question, you can ask me your question. And if you want access to Zoom Master, you can always chat me. I'm available for your request. If you have any question, you can ask me your question quickly. You can ask me your question quickly. If you have any question, you can ask me your question quickly. We are good to go. So if you really understood everything I've said today, Type good to go in the comment section. If you really understood everything I've said so far, type good to go in the comment section. And if you have access to Zomas already, please always send me your chat setup. You can't. We need to be with me, because I'm always with you, so I can also be helpful in your chat setups. Send me your chat setup. I might even like your chat or what you're sending to me. I might even take the trade with you so I can make money. So we can share updates. So if you have access to Master AI Educator, please don't hesitate. Always send me your chat setup. After the class, if you want to reach me, you can chat me on WhatsApp. Everybody has my WhatsApp line here. So I'm available for your chat setup. I'm available for you those who want to get access to Zone Master AI Educator. I am active. You understand? We still have more classes to hold like this. You understand? Yes, okay. Chuku said it's cool for now. I'm glad I've been able to cool your mind, and yeah, I'm glad you have been able to understand me from the angle I've been coming from. It's always a good thing to see people understanding you perfectly. So if you want to join my VIP community, like where I drop my signals, my calls, you can chat me on WhatsApp. I'll tell you exactly how to get access to it. If you want to get Zone Master Yacho Indicator, I can tell you exactly how you subscribe to it and make money with it, just like we have been doing so far. Because the goal of everything here is not just to come and do church or church or church. There should be workings, and I've been showing you guys working. In fact, we have been showing ourselves workings. Very, very important. Over 100 people cannot be watching me every morning like this and not make profit. Is a lie. It's a lie. It's not possible. I have over 100 people watching me every morning just to see what I have to deliver, and I always deliver. You understand? So even if you're a pro trader, you have experience in trading, you need something to also guide you. That's why I had to come about this Zoma style AI trading indicator. You can see how we're able to, destroy and pieces gold. You can see how we're able to destroy and pieces Bitcoin and make a lot of dollars from it. You understand? It's not like I don't know how to analyze or I don't know how to trade, but I know that the world is advancing. Things are going on. Easy way of getting things done is here. The stress is solved. The time it takes has been solved. It does all the work for you. All you need to do is just to, you know, execute. I'm also here to also guide you. You can ask people, if you ask me a question, I'm always here to reply to your questions. You understand? So that being said, I really appreciate you all for being here today. God bless you all. We're going to go again this week in our next class. And I'm so certain that for a fact, all of us will be able to make profit this week, which I'm certain. So if you're asking for, here is not for asking for the prices. Like I said, you have me on WhatsApp, chat me. I'm making up after this class. You can chat me. Yes, for learning and giving out value. You can chat me and I'll give you all the updates you need. Do you understand? So you can use Zoom Master for a Profit account. If you want to grow that, because if you want to grow that Profit account, I think it's even Zoom Master you need to grow your Profit account. You can use Zoom Master for a Profit account. You can use Zoom Master for any crypto account or any crypto, whatever you are into. You understand? It works perfectly. In fact, I grew a Profit account recently. I did not even analyze any trade myself. I never analyzed any trade myself. It was the Joe Masters trade I was just checking. And I just actually picked specific peers. I picked specific peers and I grew that profit account. I won't got paid. Do it for my I won't did I actually did it for my sister actually. Everybody in my family is a trader. When they have me, they will not trade care. They play. Hmm. Everybody in my family is a trader. But they also have other things they use their life to do. You understand? They trade and they have like my sisters, my brother, and the rest of us. Other they have other things they do with their life. So which you can do that with your life as a trader. Trading does not stop anything. Just treat it as every other business you are doing. That's all. Thank you all for being here today. God bless you. Any other questions, come to my DM and I'll answer you. Thank you all. Stay safe.